Cracking my knuckles can make me live forever.
Peter, that's utter nonsense. Research shows it increases joint pain.
What's the big deal, Stewie? It's just a little crack.
It's not just a little crack, it's inflammation. It can cause arthritis.
Arthritis. I've got arthritis in my back. It's no big deal.
Actually, Peter, it's a serious condition that affects millions.
That's not true. I can still play the drums with arthritis.
Not for long, Peter. Cracking your knuckles can shorten your lifespan by 10%.
No way, that can't be right.
It's backed by science. Now stop cracking your knuckles, Peter!